morning, my ma'am and my dear friends. My name is Kavisha. I study in first B. My class teacher name is Nitkat ma'am. Today I teach you
Science experiment. How
to do experiment. So let's start. So first we take thermometer paper, washing soap, lemon juice, and water, earbud, and spoon. This is thermometer paper I done at home with water and
Turmeric.
thermometer paper.
Please.
Now I show you how to do magic. This is thermometer paper. Now I take washing soap.
What color make yellow and blue?
What color makes yellow and blue? Everyone say what color makes yellow and blue?
It will turn red.
Yellow and blue.
Yellow and blue.
Yellow and blue.
Green.
Okay.
Now we see.
But now see, the
Which-
color will be red.
Fine. Tyson.
Yes, we can see the color changing.
And now I will take lemon juice.
Which color is this? पूछना बता.
Then I will put in red color. Wait for 2 minutes.
It has turned into yellow. Very nice.
Again tear.
Yes, ma'am.
Very